Welcome everyone. In this video, I will walk you through how to use a Facebook feature on a 50language.com. First, head over to the Learn section and click on a Facebook. Here you will find a resource to help you learn over 50 plus languages. Upon entering the Facebook page, you will see a list of different situations you might encounter in daily life. These situations cover a wide range of conversational scenarios, allowing you to master basic conversation skills across 100 different contexts. Let's dive into a specific lesson. At the top, you will notice a blue bar with a top arrow button which take you back to the list page. Next to it, there is a combination drop-down menu labeled native and a target, allowing you to switch between languages for the phrases. Here you can select your native language and the target language you want to learn. If you are interested in purchasing a book in a specific language, you can do this by clicking on a buy book option, which provides access to the lesson in various languages. The lesson drop-down menu allows you to select different lessons. To navigate through the previous or the next lesson, simply click the previous and the next button respectively. You can also download monolingual and bilingual audios file by clicking on the MP3 button. Adjust text size is easy with A minus A and A plus button, which decrease, reset, or increase the text size respectively. Moving on, each lesson is titled in both the native and target language. Below that, you will find a table containing different phrases in both languages, accompanied by audio files. Clicking on the play button allows you to listen to the audio pronunciation. If you want to check the same phrase in other popular languages, simply click on the plus button. Here you can check the 6 different popular languages in which you can learn these phrases. Additionally, there is a drop-down menu for a filter with scrambled phrases to test your progress effectively. Finally, you will find additional resources such as video and paragraph to further enhance your proficiency. Here you can see the paragraph in different languages. So all this content make your learning easy. Wish you happy learning.